Today I discussed the new topic, light. What is light? Light is a form of energy which makes the objects visible to our eye. All the light waves are electromagnetic waves of propagation. Light propagates in electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic means electric field is perpendicular to the magnetic field, but our eye, this is electric field, this is magnetic field. This is magnetic field, this is electric field. So all the light waves are electromagnetic waves, but it does not require any medium for its propagation. The light waves are in electromagnetic in nature, but our eye only see in electric field. Can't see in magnetic field. It is a 3 dimension. So all the rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear means sunlight, candle, any light. The light rays incident in all directions, but every direction of the light ray is in straight line. That is called rectilinear propagation of light. Light travels in straight line as long as it is traveling in the same medium. That is called rectilinear propagation of light. Okay. All the light waves are electromagnetic waves. In electromagnetic spectrum, there are electromagnetic spectrum, visible spectrum, ultraviolet, infrared, microwaves, gamma rays, gamma rays, X-rays, next radio waves. This is the electromagnetic spectrum, but our eye can see only visible spectrum. Visible spectrum means VIBGYOR. Violet to red. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. In visible spectrum there are infinite of colors, but eye can distinguish the color from violet to red. The speed of light in vacuum is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second is independent of the relative motion between the source and the observer. What is electromagnetic spectrum? This is an electromagnetic spectrum. Gamma rays, X-rays, microwaves, ultraviolet rays, visible spectrum, infrared rays, radio waves, these are electromagnetic spectrum. But our eye can only see the visible spectrum, that colors are in violet to red. But all the colors have same speed in vacuum. Anni colors kuda oke vacuum lo same speed ni kaligi untayi. All the colors of the light have same speed in vacuum, but in medium the different colors have different wavelengths. The maximum speed of the speed of the color is maximum in red color and the minimum is in violet color. The speed of the light is maximum in red and minimum in violet. Light is a single wavelength. Is called monochromatic light. Monochromatic light means yellow color light. It has only one single వేవ్ లెంగ్త్. ఎల్లో కలర్ మనం చూస్తున్నట్లయితే దీంట్లో LO1 LO2 అనేవి ఉంటాయి. ఇవి రెండు చాలా దగ్గరగా ఉంటాయి. వేవ్ లెంగ్త్స్ 5890 ఒకటి 5893 యాంగ్స్ట్రామ్స్ ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. దట్ లైట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మోనోక్రోమాటిక్ లైట్. నెక్స్ట్ what is light behaves the properties like reflection, refraction, interference, scattering, ఇవన్నీ కూడా లైట్ కి సంబంధించినటువంటివి. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ reflection. What is reflection? When a light ray instant on the surface, when a light ray instant on the surface, a part of it is returned to the same medium is called same medium. And the part of the light which is returned back into the same medium is called reflection. When a light ray is instant on the surface, this is a mirror surface, instant on it, and some of the light ray absorbed and some of the light ray transmitted in the same medium, that is called reflection. What is reflection? When a light ray instant on the surface, then a part of it is reflected back into the same medium. The part of its light ray returned back into the same medium is called reflection. But the objects are in two types. One is luminous objects and another one is non-luminous objects. What is luminous and non-luminous objects? The objects give out of the light of their own. Suppose sunlight, candle, bulb, tube light. Give out the light of their own is called luminous bodies. Luminous bodies means the objects give out the light of their own. The objects cannot give out the light of their own is called non-luminous bodies. Suppose wood, chair, wall, these are non-luminous bodies. But in reflection, luminous bodies are seen. Candle, tube light, bulb, sun, ఇవన్నీ luminous bodies. Non-luminous. Reflection, the luminous bodies can see directly. Non-luminous bodies seen only because they reflect their light instant on them when we enter into our eyes, which makes them visible. Enter into our eye, which makes them visible. Light ray ఎప్పుడైతే రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయిన రే ఇన్స్టెంట్ అవుతుందో, ఇన్స్టెంట్ అయింది మన ఐని చేరేసరికి మనకు అక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? విజిబిలిటీ వస్తుంది. సో reflection is possible in only plane mirrors. What is a mirror? Plane mirror means plain glass plate. When we take a plain glass plate, at one surface is silvered. This is a plain glass plate. One surface is this is a plain glass plate. Glass plate has two surfaces. One surface is coated with silver paint and another surface is called reflecting surface. So in a plane mirror consisting of two surfaces, one surface is coated surface and another surface is reflecting surface. This one is reflecting surface. follows only plane mirrors. Reflection follows, possesses plane mirror. Plane mirror consisting of two surfaces. One is silver coated surface and another one is reflecting surface. Next. What is incident ray? This is a mirror. Incident ray means the light ray strikes the surface is called incident ray. When the light ray strikes the surface is called incident ray. What is point of incidence? At a point which the light ray incident on the reflecting surface, this point, a point at which the light ray incident on the reflecting surface is called point of incidence. Next, normal. Normal means this is normal. A perpendicular drawn to the incident ray at the point of incidence is called normal. A perpendicular drawn to the incident ray and at the point of incidence is called normal. Next, reflected ray. Reflected ray, the light ray reflected back into the same medium after reflection. When light ray incident on it and it reflects into the same medium at the point of incidence after reflection is called reflected ray. This one is reflected ray. Angle of incidence. The angle which the incident ray makes with the normal at the point of incidence is called angle of incidence. Angle of reflection. A light ray, the angle which the reflected ray makes with the normal at the point of incidence is called angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. So incident ray means when the light ray strikes the reflecting surface is called incident ray. Point of incidence, the coated surface is reflected. When the light ray incident at the point of the reflecting surface is called point of incidence. Normal, a perpendicular drawn from the Incident ray at the point of incidence is called normal. Reflected ray, the light ray reflected at the point of incidence after reflection is called reflected ray. Angle of incidence, the light ray incident on the reflecting surface, the angle which the incident ray makes with the normal at the point of incidence is called angle of incidence. The angle which the reflected ray makes with the normal at the point of incidence is called angle of reflection. Next, another plane of incidence. Plane of incidence. The plane of incidence containing the plane containing the incident ray at the normal at the point of incidence is called plane of incidence. Next, plane of reflection. Plane of reflection. Plane containing the reflected ray mixed with the normal is called plane of reflection. Next, plane of reflection. Angle of deviation. Angle of deviation. మిర్రర్ వేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు కూడా కోటెడ్ సర్ఫేస్ ని కంపల్సరీ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి. Next, in the absence of the mirror, the incident ray will gone. This is incident ray. Will go along the straight line. Will go along the straight line. Along the straight line. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray, and this is B. And along through the will go along the straight line and makes with the angle with B is called angle of deviation. I plus R plus D is equal to 180 degrees. This one is 45, 45 plus 45, 90, 90 plus 45, 135, 135 plus 45, 180 degrees. I plus R plus D is equal to 180 degrees. This is called angle of deviation. Angle of deviation. Angle of, in the absence of the mirror, when incident ray strikes the reflecting surface, will going along the straight line. Then that line makes with the angle with B is called angle of deviation. I plus R plus D is equal to 180 degrees. Next, another glancing angle. Glancing angle. The angle made by the incident ray and the reflected ray into the mirror is called glancing angle. Glancing angle is equal to 90 minus I or 90 minus R. And 90, suppose this is called glancing angle. This is reflected ray I. This one is 90. So this angle is 90 minus I. This is 90. This is reflected ray. So this one 90 minus R. So glancing angle means 90 minus I, 90 minus R. The angle made by the incident ray and the reflected ray to the mirror is called glancing angle. So incident ray, reflected ray, glancing angle, angle of deviation, point of incidence, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, plane of incidence. Already I told. Next. Reflection is in two types. Reflection is in two types. One is plane of reflection. Regular reflection, and another one is irregular reflection. Regular reflection can take place only in plane mirrors. Regular reflection can take place only in plane mirrors. Irregular reflection can take place in wood, paper, cinema screen, etc. Chair. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఏంటి irregular reflection. Regular reflection is only in polished surfaces. Polished or smooth surfaces. Regular reflection can take the reflecting surface is polished or smooth. The parallel beam of light which is falling on them, the light is reflected. Irregular reflection, the reflecting surface is rough. When the parallel beam of light incident on it, fall on it, it is scattered in all directions. Show me. Suppose a light is incident on it. This is a coated surface, plane surface law. So this is reflecting. This is normal. Incident ray and reflected ray is a same. Angle I is equal to angle R. But in irregular reflection, rough surface, the light is incident on it. I is not equal to R. The incident ray and reflected ray this is rough surface. Angle I is equal to polished surfaces, angle I is equal to angle R. This is plane of incidence, The light ray is incident on polished surface and it reflects in the same medium. Angle I is equal to angle R. But in rough surface, the light ray incident on it and it reflects in another direction. Angle I is equal to, angle I is not equal to angle R. That is regular reflection and irregular. Irregular reflection is also known as diffused reflection. Regular reflection, the reflecting surface is polished surface or smooth. The parallel beam of light is falling on it. It reflects the light. The regular reflection can take place only in plane mirrors. Irregular reflection can take place in wood, paper, cinema screen, etc. The reflecting surface is a rough surface. That is this surface. All the parallel beam of light is falling on it and it reflects in all directions. And it reflects it and it is scattered in all directions. That is the irregular reflection. Laws of reflection. All the light rays travel in a straight line. Already I told. Light ki oka property enti rectilinear propagation. ఈ propagation ఏమని చెప్తోంది అంటే light rays అన్ని కూడా straight line motion లోనే travel చేస్తాయి. So laws of reflection. One is all the light rays travel in a straight line. Second point, this one is reflecting surface and this one is coated surface. This one is normal. When the light ray incident on it and it reflects. This one is angle I and this one is angle R. So second law, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle I is equal to angle R. Next, third point. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal at the point of incidence all lie at the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray, నార్మల్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఒకే ప్లేన్ లో ఉన్నాయా లేదా? సో ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే నార్మల్ ఎట్ ది పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఆల్ లై ఎట్ ది సేమ్ ప్లేన్. దీస్ ఆర్ ది laws of reflection. What state the laws of reflection? All the light rays travel in a straight line. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lie at the same plane. Next. formula for the angle of deviation due to reflection. This is normal, this is angle of incidence, this is reflected ray. This incident ray going along the straight line, and makes with the angle reflected ray is called deviation. So I plus R plus D is equal to 180 degrees. Angle I is equal to angle R according to laws of reflection. So I plus D is equal to 180 degrees. 2I plus D is equal to 180 degrees. D is equal to 180 minus 2I. Or D is equal to 180 minus I plus R. 180 minus 2I. That is called deviation. Next. The deviation produced by n number of reflections from the two plane mirrors. And the deviation produced by n reflections from two plane mirrors inclined at an angle theta ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏంటి ఫార్ములా అంటే క్యాపిటల్ D is equal to ఏంటి ఇక్కడ the deviation produced by n number of reflections from two plane mirrors inclined at an angle theta is given by capital D is equal to n into 180 minus theta. ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 2 ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్స్. n is equal to 2. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? D is equal to 2 into 180 minus theta. 360 minus 2 theta. n is ఈవెన్ నెంబర్గా తీసుకున్నాం. అంటే రెండు ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్స్ని ఒకదానితో ఒకటి మనం అటాచ్ చేస్తే గనక అప్పుడు ఆ రెండు ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్స్ని అవి చేసేటటువంటి యాంగిల్ థీటా యాంగిల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు డీవియేషన్ యాంగిల్కి ఏంటి ఇక్కడ D is equal to n into 180 minus theta. అంటే 2 into 180 minus theta. 360 minus 2 theta. n is even number. Okay. Image. What is image? Image means the rays of light diverging of an object or diverging from the point object after reflection or refraction appear to meet at some other point is called image. What is image? The light rays converge or diverge. And the rays of light incident on the surface, reflecting surface, after reflection they are meet at the same point or not meet at the same point is called image. Suppose image is in two types. One is real image and another one is virtual image. Virtual image. This is a mirror. This is a point object. Point object. This is reflecting surface. This is reflecting. All the rays are diverging. meet at another point. This is image. So these lines are, this is a point object. The reflected rays are not converge. They are not meet at the same point. They meet at the same point is in dotted lines. That image is called virtual image. That image is called virtual image. Light rays, when we take an object, is in point object. Point object means all the light rays are started from the point. Incident on the reflecting surface and it is reflected. They are not meet at only one point. So this type of rays are called divergent. Ante the rays of light diverging from the point object after reflection appear, the reflected rays are in diverging at some other point is called virtual image. What is virtual image? The rays of light diverging from the point object after reflection, they appear to diverge at some other point is called virtual image. Virtual image is in plane mirrors. Ante the image of our face in the mirror is called virtual image. Virtual image ki example enti ante image of our face. Face in mirror. That is virtual image. Virtual image cannot be taken on screen. Then manam screen meda chodlam. Virtual image cannot be taken on the screen. Next, virtual image is laterally inverted. That image is laterally inverted. And this image also erect upright image. Virtual image is erect image. Virtual image is always erect image. Then capture cheyalem kabatti the name antamante erect image ga cheptam. So but what is real image? Real image means the rays of light diverging from the point object after reflection or refraction appear to converge at some other point. Appear to converge at some other point is called real image. So this is a concave mirror. Concave mirror. These are incident rays. These are reflected rays. All the reflected rays meet at a point. ఎక్కడ మీట్ అయినాయి అన్నీ కూడా పాయింట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పాయింట్ ఇమేజ్ కింద ఫామ్ అయిందా లేదు అంటే all the reflected rays converge to a point is called real image. Real image. So what is real image? The rays of light diverging from the point object after reflection appear to be converged some other point is called real image. Real image can be captured on the screen. Real image can be taken on the screen. Real image ni మనం స్క్రీన్ మీద చూడొచ్చు. అంటే మోషన్ అండ్ స్టిల్ పిక్చర్స్ projected on the screen in the screen in the cinema is called real image. ఇప్పుడు మనం సినిమా స్క్రీన్ మీద ఆ సినిమాలో జరిగిన ప్రతి యాక్షన్ని మనం చూడగలుగుతున్నాం. ఆ పిక్చర్ యొక్క ప్రతి మూమెంట్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. అవన్నీ కూడా ఏంటి? రియల్ ఇమేజెస్. రియల్ ఇమేజ్ అంటే మోషన్ అండ్ స్టిల్ move the still pictures projected on the screen in cinema is called real image. Real image is always inverted image and up and down image అన్నమాట. అప్ సైడ్ లో ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, డౌన్ సైడ్ లో. Real image is always inverted image. It can be taken on the screen. Visual image can be drawn in the dotted lines. Real image can be drawn in the continuous lines. Real image can be drawn in the continuous lines. This is image. So, image is a two types. One is real image and another one is visual image. Real image means it can be taken on the screen. It can be laterally inverted. It is a erect image. Example, image of our face in mirror. Next, real image means real image is always inverted image, upside and downside. It can be taken on the screen. Example, cinema. Image formed on a cinema screen. Image formed on a cinema screen. So, after reflection, the reflected rays are in diverging. After reflection, they are convergent. Is called real image. Real image is always inverted image. Example, image formed on a cinema screen. It can be taken on the screen. It cannot be taken on the screen. This is real image, visual image. Next, characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror. Plane mirror. The image formed behind the mirror has the same size as the object. మన ఫేస్ చూసుకుంటున్నప్పుడు మనం ఎంత ఉన్నామో అంత సైజులోనే కనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? The image formed behind the mirror has the same size as the object. Next, the image is laterally inverted. It is always erect. Virtual image is a erect image. Real image is always inverted image. Next, the image is far behind the mirror. The image is far behind the mirror as the object in front of it. ఇక్కడ characteristics ఏంటి? The image formed behind the mirror has the same size as the object. Next, the image is inverted laterally. Next, image is as far behind the mirror image is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. It can be taken on the screen. Image is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. It cannot be, the image is virtual. It cannot be taken on the screen. Virtual image is always a erect image. These are the characteristics. Given the characteristics, the image formed behind the mirror has the same size as the object. The image is virtual image. It cannot be taken on the screen. It is always an erect image. It is laterally inverted image. The image is as far behind the mirror, the object is in front of it. These are the characteristics of the image formed by the plane. So, hand sheets, try to do the hand sheet 1 చూడండి. A light ray is made to incident on a glass plate with an angle of incidence is 30 degrees. Find the angle of reflection అని అడుగుతుంది. యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఎంతైతే ఉందో యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఐ వాల్యూ 30 ఇచ్చారు కనుక ఆర్ కూడా 30. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్, ది 2 mirrors are inclined at an angle 30 degrees. Ray of light is obliquely incident on the first mirror. The deviation after 2 reflections అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో డీవియేషన్కి 2 mirrors ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఫార్ములా ఏం చెప్పాను? D is equal to n into 180 minus theta. So 2 into 180 minus ఎంత ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ 30 degrees. So 2 into 180 minus 30 150 300 degrees. Next, a ray of light after reflection from a plane mirror suffers a deviation 60 degrees. Find the angle between the incident ray and a reflected ray అని ఇస్తున్నారు. ఇక్కడ సపోజ్ ఏ డీవియేషన్ 60 degrees ఇచ్చారు. D is equal to I plus R plus D is equal to 180 minus I plus R అంటే 180 minus 2I. ఈ D value 60 degrees. So 60 minus 180 is equal to minus 2I అంటే minus 120 is equal to minus 2I. I is equal to 120 by 2 అంటే 60 degrees. ఎంత 60 degrees. నెక్స్ట్ ఇమేజ్ ఫార్మ్డ్ బై ది ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ఈజ్ అని అడుగుతున్నారు ఇక్కడ. ఇమేజ్ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్లో ఇమేజ్ మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుందని చెప్పుకున్నాము, లాటరల్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్ ఇమేజ్ అవుతుంది అండ్ ఎరెక్ట్ ఇమేజ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇఫ్ ది యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఈజ్ 45 degrees then యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఈజ్ 45. కరెక్ట్. యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్, రెండు కూడా కరెక్టే. అంటే 2 ఈజ్ ది కరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1. నెక్స్ట్ లైట్ ఆఫ్ వేవ్ లెంగ్త్ ఇచ్చారు, లాంబ్డా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5000 యాంగ్స్ట్రామ్స్ అని ఇచ్చారు. సో ది రిలేషన్ అమాంగ్ వేవ్ లెంగ్త్, ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అండ్ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ V is equal to n lambda. V means speed of the light in vacuum, n means frequency, lambda means wavelength. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే ది ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, ది వేవ్ లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ది రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ లైట్ అని ఇచ్చారు. అంటే 5000 into 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeters. అంటే 5 into 10 power minus 5 centi అంటే 10 power minus 2 meter. 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter. అది ఆన్సర్. ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ లైట్ అని అడుగుతున్నారు. n is equal to v by lambda. ఏమిటిది 7th క్వశ్చన్. n ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీగా అడుగుతున్నారు కనుక v అంటే 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second by lambda అంటే 5 into 10 power minus 7. 3 by 5 into 10 power 8 plus 7 15. So n is equal to 3 by 5 అంటే 0.6 into 10 power 15 అంటే 6 into 10 power 14. 6 into 10 power 14 ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ కాబట్టి యూనిట్స్ హెర్ట్జ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ వాట్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఈజ్ ది రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే నార్మల్ టు ది ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే అని అడుగుతున్నారు. ఫర్ వాట్ యాంగిల్, I plus R is equal to 90 degrees. 2I is equal to 90 degrees. I is equal to ఎంత అవుతుంది 45 degrees. Next matching. Real image is always inverted image. After refraction, the rays are actually meet at some point. Virtual image, laterally inverted image, erect image. Image formed by plane mirror. Em form avutundi? Formed by plane mirror is always angle of deviation 180 minus I plus R. Formed by plane mirror, erect image avutundi, lateral image. The ray of light deviated by an angle 60 degrees. And deviated angle 60 degrees ఇచ్చారు. గ్లాన్సింగ్ యాంగిల్ అడుగుతున్నారు. 90 minus I is equal to how much అని అడుగుతున్నారు. So D is equal to 180 minus I plus R అంటే 2I. 60 degrees is equal to 180 minus 2I. 60 minus 180 అంటే 120 is equal to 2I. I is equal to 60 degrees. 90 minus 60. Calculate చేస్తే 30 degrees. So how many degrees? 3 degrees. 3 into 10 కింద రాస్తాం. The ray is incident on a mirror at a glancing angle is 35 degrees. Angle of deviation అడుగుతున్నారు. గ్లాన్సింగ్ యాంగిల్ 35 degrees అంటే 90 minus I is equal to 35 degrees అని ఇచ్చారు. ఇప్పుడు ఏం కావాలి ఇందులో? డీవియేషన్ యాంగిల్ కావాలి. సో 90 minus 35 is equal to I. $55 degrees. I is equal to deviation D is equal to 180 minus 2I. అంటే 180 minus 2 into 55. 180 minus 110 అంటే 70 degrees. Next, statement 1. Light appears to travel in straight line. Correct. light travels in straight line as long as it is travel in the same medium. అది కూడా కరెక్ట్. సో 2 statements are correct. A light ray is made to instant on glass plate with the angle of incidence is 15 degrees and then reflected. The angle of deviation అడుగుతున్నారు. Angle of incidence I is equal to 15 degrees ఇచ్చారు. So D is equal to 180 minus 2I. 2 into 15. 180 minus 30. అంటే 150. Next. Next row, displacement of images. Next, displacement of images. The object is displaced by a distance x. After towards or away from the mirror, the object is displaced by a distance x towards or away from the mirror. The image is in the same distance but in opposite. The mirror is displaced by a distance x towards or away from the mirror object. Away from the object, the image distance is in 2x. మనం ఉన్నాం మిర్రర్ మన ఫేస్కి ఎదురుగా ఉంది. మనం 1 2 3 స్టెప్స్ వేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నాం. అందులోని ఇమేజ్ కూడా సేమ్ అదే దగ్గరకు వస్తున్నట్లుగా అనిపిస్తుంది. అలా కాకుండా మిర్రర్ని మనకి దగ్గరగా తీసుకొస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి, అదే స్టెప్స్లో ఏమవుతుంది, 2x డిస్టెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది అంటే ద మిర్రర్ ఈజ్ డిస్ప్లేస్డ్ బై డిస్టెన్స్ x టువర్డ్స్ ఆర్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్. దగ్గరగా కానీ దూరంగా కానీ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అనుకోండి అప్పుడు మిర్రర్, అప్పుడు దాని డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది అంటే 2x డిస్టెన్స్. అంటే దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ మిర్రర్ 1 2 3. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్లో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్స్లో మనకి ఆ ఇమేజ్ అనేది కనిపిస్తుంది. కానీ మిర్రర్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది అనుకోండి, అది 2x డిస్టెన్స్లో ఉండడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. అది ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సిన పాయింట్. నెక్స్ట్, ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ రొటేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్స్. Object distance x, image also x direction. First case, mirror distance x, object distance ఏమవుతుంది 2x. Do you understand? The object is displaced by a distance x towards or away from the mirror. The image distance should be in x but in opposite direction. Next, the mirror displaces the distance x towards or away from the object. The image is formed at 2x. Next, another effect of rotation of plane mirrors. Effect of rotation of mirrors on reflected ray. Effect of rotation of mirrors on reflected ray. ఇది ఎలా అంటే, suppose this is a mirror. This is incident ray. Hi. This is normal. This is reflected ray. This is R. Suppose angle ABC, angle ABN is equal to angle like angle BNBC is equal to angle R. Okay. When the mirror is rotation at an angle theta, ఇలా ఉన్న మిర్రర్ ఇలా theta యాంగిల్ రొటేట్ అయింది, theta యాంగిల్ రొటేట్ అప్పుడేమవుతుంది, ఇన్స్టెంట్ యాంగిల్ డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్, ఇన్స్టెంట్ రే డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్. ద మిర్రర్ రొటేటెడ్, ద ఇన్స్టెంట్ రే is same but reflected ray is change. So this one is normal, n prime, and the reflected ray is in D. So this is theta, so this angle is theta plus I, and this angle is I plus theta. When the mirror is rotated, the theta angle is mirror rotated. When the instant angle is not changed, the reflected ray should be changed. So which makes normal with the angle theta plus I, and then it makes the angle I plus theta. So angle ABN prime is equal to theta plus I. Angle n prime BD is equal to I plus theta. So angle ABD is equal to 2I plus 2 theta. Angle ABC is equal to angle I plus angle I, 2 into angle I. Angle I is equal to angle R kanaka. So the mirror is rotated at an angle theta. So subtracting the 2, and the angle ABC, ABD minus angle ABC, 2 into angle I plus 2 into theta minus 2 into angle I, cancel అయిపోయింది. What it gives? The reflected ray should take an angle to theta. Effect of rotation of mirrors on reflected ray. మన మిర్రర్ ని theta యాంగిల్ రొటేట్ చేస్తే మనకి రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే యొక్క యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది అంటే, రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే యాంగిల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే? CBD. Angle CBD, reflected ray, అంటే this angle is 2 theta. The reflected ray angle is 2 theta. Next, lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means The object is placed in front of a mirror. The image is seen. The left side is seen to be right side and the right side seen to be left side. This phenomenon of appearing such condition is called lateral inversion. Ante left right inversion. Left right inversion. Lateral means sideways. Inversion means change. అంటే మన చూస్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ కింద, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ కింద మనకి ఎపియర్ అవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే లాటరల్ ఇన్వర్షన్ అంటాం. ఈ లాటరల్ ఇన్వర్షన్ మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసే ఉంటారు. మనం అంబులెన్స్ లెటర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా రివర్స్లో రాస్తాం. ఆ లెటర్స్ రివర్స్లో రాయడం వల్ల మన వెనకాల అంబులెన్స్ కనుక ఉన్నట్లయితే రేర్ వ్యూ మిర్రర్ ఉంటుంది కదా మన కారులో అనేది మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది రేర్ వ్యూ మిర్రర్. ఆ మిర్రర్లో ఇది రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యి మనకి అంబులెన్స్ అని తెలియడం కోసం ఈ రేర్ వ్యూ మిర్రర్స్ ద్వారా అది తెలుస్తుంది అనమాట. దాంతో మనకి సైడ్ ఇవ్వడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది కారులో మనం వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు. అంబులెన్స్ ఉంటే అది ఏ ఎమర్జెన్సీలో ఉన్నా సైడ్ ఇవ్వాలి. కాబట్టి అది తెలియడం కోసం ఏం చేస్తారు, రేర్ వ్యూ మిర్రర్స్ మనకు ఆ కారులో ఉంటాయి కనుక వెనకాల కనుక మన కారు వెనకాల ఎక్కడైనా అంబులెన్స్ ఉన్నట్లయితే అది రివర్స్లో లెటర్స్ ఉంటే అది మిర్రర్లో మనకి రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యి కరెక్ట్గా కనిపిస్తుంది అనమాట. సో దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్వర్షన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ ఇన్వర్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ ఇన్వర్షన్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇమేజెస్ తీసేస్తారా పోనీ? ఉందండి. నెక్స్ట్ కానీ చేస్తాను
తీసేస్తారండి అయితే.